that's red. She's got the spices, smile so bright. Cooking with Judith right by my side. Mama.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Judith, and today I'm going to do stuffed peppers. Now, I would like the little tiny peppers so I could stuff them whole, but unfortunately all I could find were these enormous things. So we're going to cut them in half. Let's get a look at what we've got lined up here. Teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon each of thyme and oregano, half a cup of brown rice, 1 onion, 1 pound of ground beef, that's lean ground beef, tomato sauce, which we are probably not going to need all of it, and some freshly ground pepper. So first thing we want to do with our bell peppers is give them a bit of a steam so that they will not take quite so long to cook. And we are going to cook our rice. And it is brown rice, so that will take a little while. So I'll be back as soon as I get things ready to go.
Meeting in the kitchen, fun ahead. Judith with her apron, wine that's red. She's got the spices, smile so bright. Cooking with Judith right by my side. Mama side. Chop, chop, sizzle, frying pan heat. Music playing, dancing to the beat. We got our rhythm stirring the pot. Recipe for laughter, who'd have thought? Cooking with Judith, laugh till we cry. In the kitchen, time flies by. Mixing love in every dish. Cooking with Judith, that's our wish. Taste a spoonful, delight. Judith winks, everything just right. A pinch of joy, a dash of cheer. Cooking with Judith, whole crew here. Whole crew here. Messy counters.
And as always, taste and make sure you have it seasoned properly. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and at the end, I will post a link to the Greek stuffed peppers.
Meeting in the kitchen, fun ahead. Judith with her apron, wine that's red. She's got the spices, smile so bright. Cooking with Judith right by my side. Mama side. Chop, chop, sizzle, frying pan heat. Music playing, dancing to the beat. We got our rhythm stirring the pot. Recipe for...
Those are beautiful. I can't wait to dig in. Stuffed bell peppers. I chose for myself one of the orange ones. I can't wait to dig in. Serve with a lovely salad, a little creamy dressing on top, and let's have a taste here. So good. And the toasted breadcrumbs gives that little bit of crunch. Let's cut into the pepper. Some of the filling. Still has some crunch. It held up well. Now it depends on your pepper, how long you need to cook it. I did steam them ahead of time, as I mentioned. Otherwise, they'd have been in the oven for a very, very long time. And I did not want to do that. But these are huge, very thick-walled peppers. If you have smaller, more delicate peppers, it will take less time to cook. It's so good. Let's toss our salad up a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the video that I've linked at the end. It's the Greek version of stuffed peppers, and it is so delicious and much different from this version. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, and I'll see you again next week. Thank you so much for watching.